Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Science World, and today we are gonna unbox a PS5. So let's get started. Now let's start opening. Whoa! 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 So big! It's so cool! So this is the PS5 controller. It's white and black. And this is the charger for the controller. The power cable for the PS5. And these are all the catalogs. Wait, let me show you. Here. Next we have the stand for the PS5. And this is the HDMI cable. Now let's open the PS5. Oh, so heavy. Okay. Now here we have the PlayStation 5. Whoa! So cool! So big! That's all for today. Please like and subscribe our videos. Bye!